Dropbox is another method of you being able to store your iPhone photos in the cloud. Now, I typically would not recommend that you buy or subscribe to Dropbox just for your photos. You can get a 2 terabyte Dropbox account for $120 a year. You can get a 3 terabyte Dropbox account for $198 a year. Now, Dropbox is way more than just photos. I have synced my MacBook Pro and I've also synced my MacBook Air, both of my computers, to Dropbox. And by doing that, I have no files saved on my computer. They are all saved in under files. Now, the benefit of that is if I lose my MacBook Pro or I lose my MacBook Air or the house burns down and they get destroyed, all of my documents are either, for me, they're either in Dropbox or they're in Google Docs, Google Drive. Now, beyond just using Dropbox for all of your files, any kind of file for that matter, you can also use Dropbox for photos. Now, I'm in the Dropbox app on my iPhone. I'm logged into my Dropbox account. Look right there. I have the ability to turn camera uploads on. So if I click on that, I can select the entire camera roll, or I can select any one of the albums that are a part of my iPhone camera roll. If I hit save the selection, now it's going to back up all photos, including videos. I can use cell data or not. I can save all the files as the iPhone files as HEIC or turn them to JPEGs. I can save the live photos as live photos. And I can also turn on to continue using Dropbox when I'm not logged into it. That would be background app. So now I have that set up. And so now I can turn camera uploads on and it will start uploading my photos from my iPhone into Dropbox. And you see I've already uploaded a whole bunch of them already. And so it's uploading them now. It's 290, 300. It's cranking them out. That's how many it has to back up. If I decide I don't want this backup going on, in the bottom right-hand corner, click Account, and then you'll see, I can see how much storage I'm using. I can see my plan, what devices are connected to it, and down there you can see camera uploads. If I click on that, I can simply turn it off right there, turn off. And it'll stop uploading the photos in my camera up to my Dropbox account. I think that the functionality of Dropbox for photos is decent. I don't know that it is as intuitive or user-friendly. I'm going to do a search for snow to be able, actually it found a lot of images with snow in it. So if I do a truck, that was one of my other tests, spell it right. Actually, it was a better, not really. It's missing the newer images of my truck, which is kind of interesting. I don't know why it did that. And some of these images aren't trucks at all. It's a business card there. Dropbox could be a good solution for storing your camera photos off your iPhone into the cloud. I don't know that I would buy Dropbox just for photos. It's $120 for 2 terabytes. Maybe, but if you're going to use something as powerful as Dropbox, I would also consider using it for backing up all of your other content on your other devices, i.e. you could sync Dropbox with your MacBook Pro, with your PC, with your MacBook Air, so that you back up all of the files that are on those devices while you're also using Dropbox for your photos.